Yeah, looks like they have been constructed a small guest room over here. Hi guys, good day. Right now I'm in the forest. Plus, beside the forest there is a small park right now here. So let's visit and have some good knowledge about it. Let's go ahead. I think they have been crafted very well here. So beside to this park there is very huge forest, you can see. So let's go over there later on. And there is a small swimming pool, looks like. And you can see here they have been aligned very clearly, mango trees. So let's go ahead. There were huge stories around this forest, like oh my god, there isn't any water here. Oh no. Looks like due to summer they have been stopped the water flow. And there is very less people who have been visited over here. Yeah, this is a tree where we called Itakailu, where will be grown up here in this plant. Yeah, let's see. Let's have some good view from here on. How the forest looks like. Hope there won't be any big snakes. I thought of going inside, but so I think these are the homes they have been created, but they have been stopped building right now. I don't know the reason why. And on this tank there is one big camp, so that if there is any animal roaming over here, it will be captured very clearly. So there were multiple plants, and this is the neem tree. That isn't any real tiger. It's a tourist attraction. Hello, sir. Sit out. If we come in the evening, we thought it will be any real. You can see that I think there is a snake house. Let's see what's inside. So the thing is, they have been aligned very clearly, and even though we have a road to walk, and I hope next 2 to 3 kilometers the same frequency of the houses will be there. So I think we can stop over here and explore something new. So maybe it has been destroyed. by an elephant maybe, because here they were trained some of the elephants here. And this is the garden room or an instructor room. So it's completely disastered. Okay. I think no one lives here right now. So while going on, we can explore some more few forests which is surrounded here. And this forest is located in Andhra Pradesh, India, that is South India. And look over here. Yeah, looks like they have been constructed a small guest room over here to the visitors who will be visited over here. In the same way, it look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they have constructed 5 same kind of houses or guest rooms. What is in here? I can see some bed, fan, chairs, wooden chairs, light, AC. I think need to be book something. I think we need to book this rented house, then we need to stay here. I hope you guys can see a river over there. Okay, let's try to go over there, or else we can skip without any guidance. If you go over there, then we are done with this life. Okay, let's explore some new. Okay, let's go inside the forest. I hope there won't be any snakes. It's a wild, complete forest. We are going inside, but God grace there won't be any snakes, and there won't be any tigers or something else. I think they have stopped over here. I hope you guys can see a river over there. But let me try. We should dare something else. Adventure need to be very beautiful, and I thought I would learn something new today. So it's called something daring step. In a wild forest, one bear has been attacked a new adult man, and I have seen some of the photos of his. It's very dangerous, I don't think it's in this forest. Okay, someone already broke in the cage. Oh, there is something bird over there. Yeah, I hope you guys can see this river. So here on we should be very cautious, because from which end maybe tiger or the bear will be attacked on us. I hope crocodiles also will be there, or alligators. Alligators. Yeah, let's step back. It's very wild forest. As this is my first video in English, I will try to better make my corrections in the next video. And we try some other new forest which is much more wilder in the upcoming future videos. Okay, let's get back to let's step out of this forest. I hope you guys can see. This is an elephant dog. Looks like it's been so many days. Elephants has been visited over here. Maybe to drink some water in the river. Okay, let's go up. I don't know the reason why they have stopped constructing this dormitory. So let's step outside. And I can observe that compared to cities, here the air quality has been changed huge, and I liked it. But the thing is, we should visit in the night. It will give some rawness to your brain to sustain more. It's a very beautiful leaves. Fine. Yeah. The gardener said after evening they switch on these electric fences. So I hope you liked this video. In upcoming future I will try to rectify my mistakes. Fine. And thank you for watching this video. Arigatou gozaimashita. See you guys.